These birds. What's he got? He's trying to take my netting. Look at that. Y'all thought I was making it up. Y'all thought I was making it up, didn't you? Isn't that something? I did remove the netting, the black netting that I put around it, because everything was growing up. The peas were growing up into the netting, and it was just becoming a mess. But I haven't seen this in a long time. But there it is. He's trying to take my netting. Probably to build his nest, right? Or her. I don't know if it's a he or her. Usually it's the dude out getting the food and everything. But I'm sure mommy bird can do it too. And then here comes a squirrel. Now what is going on? What is going on? He is still down there trying to get that net. The squirrel's passing along here. Oh, and there goes a rabbit. Everybody's out this morning. I don't know if y'all can see the rabbit, but... Now what's he about to do?
Can I see one? Can I see it?
See the bird over there in the trellis? Look at the squirrel.
Stop! Look at the hole.
Now the bird has went away and gave up on the trellis. Now the squirrel, hold on just a second. The squirrel is...
I see a hole.
Looks like he's just digging around.
My leg is right here. Can I touch it?
I don't know where that bird went, but the squirrel, we're watching him right now. Let's see what he's up to. Yeah, I don't think he found anything that he wanted here. But they're heck of a climber. Squirrels are jumpers and climb. I didn't realize they jumped like they did. But they are. I knew they climbed. They were good climbers, but they jump. It's amazing. Oops, sorry for the glare there. Trying to see if I can see where that bird went. I don't see him from this window. Well, here's another episode of the Pesky Pest. Mother Nature just taking over. We do share our food. And it seems like everything else, you know, they want to share everything else with us too. And that's cool. You do what you can. Can't control everything, right? But it's really cool to watch Mother Nature do what they're designed to do, you know? There's a little bunny. Look over there. There he is. See him? He's just sitting. He's just sitting. Thank you all for watching. Till next time.